Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting images ready. Pick one or a small set at your screen's resolution so scaling is minimal. Once done, put them in a dedicated folder and name files clearly because file organization saves time later. If you have RAWs or PSDs, export to JPG or PNG for performance. Make backups of originals just in case. This first step reduces surprises and speeds the rest of the process, so you can apply wallpapers cleanly and consistently. Now you apply images in Windows. Open personalization from a right-click on the desktop and pick background. Choose picture for one image or slideshow for rotating wallpapers. Set the interval and whether to shuffle. This gives variety without manual switching. Make sure you select the correct fit option: fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span, so the image is not cropped oddly, especially with multiple monitors. Adjusting fit avoids distortion and keeps focal points visible across varied screen sizes. Finish by customizing behavior. Install a reliable app for time changes, per monitor control, or animated backgrounds if you want motion. If your wallpaper unexpectedly resets, make sure sync services like OneDrive or roaming profiles aren't overriding settings. Also check group policy on managed PCs. When things still fail, restart Explorer. EXE to reload the desktop. Verify the wallpaper file has correct permissions and that registry values point to the right path. These steps fix most stubborn issues and bring your chosen look back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.